It isn't just the switches for the Air 75. It's just the keycaps, the body. It's just hardier. Just, I would say, thocky. And this is more clicky. This is more clacky. But overall, I just love just typing with this, like hearing this. It's ASMR, literally. Let's check out the RGB. My first 2-day impressions, not a review, but this is a great keyboard, but not a beginner one. Do not give this to anybody unless they are into that keyboard, mechanical keyboard life, whether it's swiping out the keycaps, configuring it, the QMK, VIA. No, this is for people who already have, what, like 3, 4, 5 other keyboards and are very tech heavy, or just are interested in becoming, a mech head. This does not scream Fortune 500 executive. It's beautiful. It's nice to hear, and it feels good to type on. So just be prepared. Open this at home, and you should be fine. I don't think it's too cheesy. The little pen, also nice. Again, am I gonna post this somewhere in my room? Probably not, but it's nice. Yeah, I don't know where I could post this, although the colors do match my room.